I wake up every day and want to make things. I see potential, I see ideas, and I like to see them seen through to the finish. So when I have an idea with neon that I don't want it to be a flat level and I want to stack it 3 deep, we figure out the best way to do that to make something that is my vision come to life. My name is Deborah Katon. I'm a sculptor. I live here in St. Louis. I went to WashU for graduate school, and I ended up staying to continue working here in the art community. The exhibition I have up now at the Kranzberg is titled What I Know. It is an autobiographical narrative that tells my story, and each piece works as a chapter in this novel, telling different parts. It's nonlinear. It mixes up timelines, so you get glimpses of the past and glimpses of the future. These are all called artifacts, being that an artifact is something that has had a human hand in creating it. Some of the neon pieces in both signs are from the Avalon Theater and now have a new life as repurposed parts in my pieces. I have appropriated objects, I have borrowed objects. Mostly I have made objects. I have been lucky enough to construct art objects with neon as a material. I'm very thankful for Atomic Neon and Glass here in St. Louis for that opportunity. I've always kind of had a love relationship with concrete. I like to mix it up, I like to pour it. There are pieces here that I've cast in aluminum. There are pieces here that I have blown hundreds of glass vessels to install. I like to make objects, and I like to use them as pieces for my narrative. I really, really believe that play is very important in the pursuit of knowledge. I love new materials. I love working with new things all the time. I like to push limits with them, and that to me is play. Putting things together, old with new, dark with light, that juxtaposition, that crossing the line, how they speak to one another to tell the story is important. And the editing process is also very important. Fine art and art has really helped define history as a tangible, touchable thing. And we need to support the arts and support artists like the Kranzberg does, like Skiff International did to help me get this show together, because we're writing the history that people will remember.